Hey guys, happy Wednesday. We've made it halfway through the week almost. I have this video today to show you a few important things on what you need to do today, specifically math. If you are in Miss Gilmore, Miss Faison, or Miss Watts math class, I need you to listen and pay attention to this video more than anybody, but all of you should be paying attention anyway. Okay, so as you can see, I am on my Google Classroom right here, and I'm going to go to classwork and go to today's announcements. That's the first thing you check every single day. Daily announcements, check here every day. All right, today is day 23, Wednesday, so let's click on this announcements material, okay? So it tells you what to do. It says first, click on the Google slide below called Wednesday's To-Dos and see everything you need to complete today. So let's go down there, and I'm going to click on Wednesday's To-Dos. Okay, brings up the slide of everything you need to complete today. It tells you what you need to do for math. This is where I need you guys to pay attention. Listen, you better be listening. Okay, on-level math kids, if you are in Watts, Gilmore, or Faison, you have a Unit 7 test today. It is the last unit you guys were taught this year. It is the last test that you will take. It is online, obviously. What you need to do in order to access the test that you have to take today. No Khan Academy for on-level kids. My class, my advanced math class, you guys still have a lesson, and it's right here, multi-digit division and quiz. But Miss Gilmore, Faison, and Watts math class, you need to click on this link right here, okay? I put it here in the math area. I've put it here where it says the classes names, take your math test today. I have even put it right here at the bottom of this post on Google Classroom, the day 23 announcements. 3 ways to access it already. Ms. Gilmore also made a video on how to take this math test if you are confused on it. You might want to watch this YouTube video right here before you click on the math test, okay? But if you can watch that video, then you're going to go and take the math test. Again, click it here, or it's the same thing if you click the link from my slideshow, okay? And I've already pulled it up and it's loaded. It says Unit 7 Math Test Part 1 Wednesday. You will need to type your name in, and then there is a video to watch for question 1, okay? The video has to be watched to answer question 1. Each video goes with the question. They're like a minute-long videos. They don't take long, and they're helpful towards the questions. So this might be even an easier test than you think if you watch the videos. Anyway, go through and answer all of Part 1's questions. I think that's like 8, 9 questions. When you're done, you click Submit, okay? Again, I'm going to say this, only on-level math kids are taking that. My math class is not, okay? But if you're in Miss Gilmore's math class, Miss Faison, or Miss Watts, you have to take it today. Okay, back to the Wednesday slide. So that's for math. So on-level math kids are taking their test. I showed you how to access it. My advanced math class, you have Khan Academy lessons today and a quiz on multi-digit division. And 10 minutes of iReady and a Gradlet on Reflex, okay? Then every student for writing today needs to go to their writing journal. Again, this link takes you to it every day, and make sure you're typing in your own copy, your personal copy, and you guys will be doing the prompt for Wednesday, April 22nd. See, I know my dates. So I would scroll down in my writing journal, and I will go to Wednesday's April 22nd. Winning a gamer competition takes hard work. Write about a time that you had to work hard. Okay? That's your writing prompt. And then for reading, you have a ReadWorks assigned text today. It is a new one for the week. Each reading group has their own. Well, groups 1 and 2 have their own. Groups 3 and 4 have their own. Go to ReadWorks. Make sure you finish that today and submit it. Okay? If you need help on how to correct or properly write your race response, because the last 3 questions on every ReadWorks are race responses, go to this video that Miss Faison made on how to make a race response look perfect, basically. And 10 minutes on iReady, okay? If you click my Bitmoji, it'll take you to this YouTube video you're watching currently, in case you're wondering. So, did that, then you'd need to go to the morning meeting slide and respond to the prompt for today. You guys know where to find that. Zoom lessons will be on for today, even with the math test, so check in with your math teacher today by clicking the link and typing the password in. My homeroom, everyone should be on the reading link today. It is Wednesday, so from 1 to 2, everyone should be on for reading. And here is the link and password. Just know that I change the link and password every week because of privacy reasons. So make sure you're looking for the correct link every Monday. So the one that you saw yesterday and Monday will be the same for the rest of this week. Next Monday, you'll need to find the new one. And it's always on the daily announcement post like you see here. So I think that's it. Please watch my YouTube videos because I hope I'm not making these just for half the class to watch and then the rest to ask questions. See you guys on Zoom. Bye.